And it's actually talking back in Danish to me, but I can continue to speak English. So that's beautiful. Now we have a voice, a real voice, talking to make the recording of this session, our technician who is on site, and then creating a full report, both in Danish and in English. So let's see how well it works. So I can start with adding a picture. Let's see, so it's imagining a technician taking a picture on site, and now he has this image and he can talk further about the issue that he's handling.
Fortæl, hvad du fandt.
And it's talking Danish to me, but let's see if it understands English as well. We have a belt that is broken. I would like it has to be fixed so the machine can continue working.
Okay, remmen er knækket. Hvad tror du er årsagen?
Understand both Danish and English, so it doesn't matter where you come from. This is perfect. Okay, but what's the reason? Maybe the tension is too high on this belt. That's why it broke down. Maybe there's some kind of intolerance, or maybe it's just a wear. We actually don't know at this current moment.
Okay, spænding, intolerance eller slid. Hvad har du gjort ved det?
So it's asking me, what have I done with this? All right, but I had a new belt with me, so we exchanged the belt and machine is actually running right now perfectly.
Okay, remmen er udskiftet. Har du brugt eller bestilt nogle dele?
Yes, we ordered extra belt, so machine, if it happens again, we can exchange the belt again and make it run.
Okay, en ny rem brugt, en ekstra bestilt. Er det løst nu, eller står det åbent?
Machine is running, it's fine.
Okay, løst. Hvor alvorligt er det? Kritisk, væsentligt eller mindre?
It's been critical machine. When it's happening, machine is standing still, so it's critical for the customer.
Okay, kritisk. Er det jeres ansvar, eller er det bygningens side?
It is our responsibility to fix it.
Okay, vores ansvar. Fint, jeg gemmer konstateringen nu noteret. Er der mere?
We need to coordinate collaboration with on-site for the next week, so we align service technician visiting the site.
Er der en konstatering mere?
Det var det.
Så mangler vi samlet vurdering, så er de 5 tal fra.
Now it gives a rating, so imagine you're just on the phone, then you can give it the ratings of how it did on the safety, mechanical process, whatever is needed for this particular service technician. And then we can make the report. And then we have a full report, so it transcribe the text into what is. And let me change to English version, so it's easier to read. So we have the finding, probable cause, and action taken, parts and due to be determined, the ratings, and who has been the technician on site. And once technician reviews it and says, yes, this is perfect, that's exactly what I want to say, we give the report. We open it up, then it's sent back to the organizations. So that's how simple it is. And this is made with a voice AI by 11 Labs. And this creates this conversation fluence. So you're prompted to answer the needed responses. So it's kind of programmed into this protocol with 11 Labs. What do we need to go through before the report is fulfilled? Right? So it helps to guide the technician to answer those questions, and then it creates the report. How cool is that we can create this now? And I mean, everybody should have access to this. It makes it so much more user-friendly instead of using all the keyboards and time and forgetting things. This can be done on site at the machine, simple, and helping technician to do it right away while it's fresh, taking pictures, supporting it with a speech, what it is about, and then creating one aligned report. The reports are going to be all of the same quality in different languages by all the different technicians, so you don't have the writing of many different technicians, how they're doing it, or you have one standard look for the reports. It's so much value. And this is a perfect showcase, and I'll take it to the next level with my further work. But if you're curious to know more, feel free to reach out to me or join a school community to learn how to build this kind of applications yourself.